Welcome to Chemistry Lover, and this is a new video series which I am going to start. There will not be regular videos on this because I have to frame the questions personally. These are self-made questions. These videos or this series will be a little bit funny, as you have to, and you will enjoy it because you have to recall your previous concept, all the name reactions and all these things to answer these questions. So our first video is this one. You have to convert this mesitylene to this phenol derivative with the help of name reactions. Basically you have to use reactions that will give you good yield, because otherwise you can do whatever you want and that can give you low yield. And there are also modern techniques like coupling and all these things, so you don't have to use that. You have to use regular reactions, the name reactions, popular name reactions which you know, and using them you have to convert this. So this is the first question. I will give you more of this type of questions. Okay, so first think a little bit and let me know in the comment section that which reactions you can utilize to convert this particular molecule, the mesitylene, to this phenol derivative. Now one hint which I can give you is one of the step involves ester hydrolysis, and that's why I picked this question, because nowadays I am talking about ester hydrolysis in my previous two videos. So if you pause this video here and think and let me know in the comment section what will be the answer. Now let me solve this question for you. So we will use two name reactions, basically three very common name reactions to solve this question. So here whenever you have a electron rich ring like this, all these methyl groups, they will put electron in the ring and the ring becomes very electron rich. So you can do a acetylation reaction on this ring very easily, and the most common reaction to do acetylation over here is the Haubenhaus reaction. The name is Haubenhaus reaction. The reagent here is like methyl cyanide or nitrile, acetonitrile, and along with that you have to use ZnCl2, but that should be anhydrous, right? And also HCl is used, dry HCl is used. So all this reagent, it will introduce one acetyl group on the electron rich aromatic ring. So if you have any electron rich aromatic ring, this reaction will give you a very high yield. If you want to do this reaction in normal benzene ring, it will not work in a good way, but if you have electron rich ring, it will work in a very good way and you will have a good yield. Now, so this is the first step, the Haubenhaus reaction. In the second step, again we will use a very common name reaction, and you all know that it is basically a rearrangement reaction, and that is nothing but the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. So you can use MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid. This is the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, and on this ketone, if you do the Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, what you will get? You will get this ester, and I don't have to tell about the regioselectivity of this Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, because you know that this is having higher migrating aptitude, so you will get this ester. And now the final step is the ester hydrolysis reaction, right? So final step is very simple, the ester hydrolysis reaction, and it is the AAC1 mechanism in H2SO4. Right, so H2SO4, strong H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 if you use, it will follow the AAC2 mechanism, and that will give the ester hydrolysis product as phenol. So this is how you can get the phenol. What happens here? In AAC2 mechanism, basically the protonation occurs over here like this first, and then proton exchange occurs. So if now proton exchange occurs, what will happen? Proton will come here, right, and now it will push and it can easily leave. So this is the reaction. So this is the AAC1 reaction, and you will get this as your product. So by using these three steps, the Haubenhaus, MCPBA, and this particular ester hydrolysis reaction, you can get good yield of alcohol or sorry, phenol out of this reaction. So we will present more interesting questions like this. For that, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.